Welcome to my channel, and this is how we built this house. Tiago's tips. So we have some concrete and some water. So we're gonna put the water into the concrete, and then it'll turn into real concrete. But we need to put water and for the concrete to get hard. And for that, the reason why we're using concrete is because we're gonna put it on the milk carton that we're gonna use for our house, and then we're gonna put the rocks on top of that to make it like a house. The first thing we did was cut a hole for the door. Then we mixed small amounts of concrete. You have to be careful with this type of concrete because it dries really fast. It's a good idea to work on one section at a time. Make sure to add the rocks while the concrete is still wet. This is what we have so far. Wait, it's heavy. We're working on the door now. And this is our fairy house, all done. We placed the fairy house in Rifle Camp Park on the yellow trail. Rifle Camp is located in Woodland Park, New Jersey. If you come here and see the fairy house, make sure to take a picture and send it to my Instagram. And I'll make sure to share your pictures with all of our followers. Thank you for watching. Adios, amigos.